You know, something that's really interesting that we've learned through our client work recently is the concept of what they call pivotal roles. So the pivotal role in many organizations is not the CEO. It's not necessarily the person who may have the most technical prestige, but it's individuals who are core and fundamental to the profitability or to the success or the smooth operation of an organization. I'll give you one specific example. At Disney theme parks, the people who sweep the streets are pivotal, and they've identified their street sweepers as pivotal roles, not simply because they're making sure that there's not crap all over the floor at Disney theme parks, but rather because if someone scrapes their knee and they need to find someone to help them, they're not going to go up to Mickey or Goofy. They're going to go up to the street sweeper. So the street sweepers know there that most of their job is actually customer service. So the question for you is this: what pivotal roles exist within your organizations, and how do you make sure that those people in those roles are trained and nurtured and loved such that you can continue to succeed?